মোর এইটো আপুনি চান্স দিছে এইটোৰ কাৰণে ধন্যবাদ। মোৰ যেটো কুৱেশ্যন আছিল বা মই যেটো বিচাৰিছিলোঁ ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিয়েল ডেভেলপমেণ্ট বা ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিয়েল এমপ্লয়মেণ্ট ৰিপৰ্ট এইটোৰ ওপৰত 900 ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিজ আমাৰ ইয়াত আছে ষ্টেটিক হিচাপে total employee 77,844 and for your information total employees 31,138 local employees only, sir, and outsider 47,000, double, just double or more than double, sir. This is my concern. 60,000 outsider have on record near government of Assam. Why, sir? This is my question. Because our youths and boys, they are not getting job in our state, and the outsider they are coming and they are getting the job. This is my concern, sir. And maybe I think all over the house, all will be concerned over this, because our boys, when they are going out, they are going only, they are getting only 4th grade, not 4th grade, lower than 4th grade also. They are getting the jobs. But in our state, when they are coming from outside, they are getting more and more good jobs. Our hetur सबसे down problem है facilities of government. My details report on this one. The facilities from government of Assam, 33% subsidy in capital. State GST return on 15%. Electricity subsidy 50 lakh subsidy in working capital. This is a very big amount, sir, and we have to think about this. And this is my earnest request. Okay, why this is saving? They are not giving us, only they are taking the jobs and they are taking the subsidy from the ministry also. This is my concern, and I think all house will make a concern over this also. As per rule, 80% officers and 90% employees should be local, but not, sir. It's vast different. More than 27 lakhs registered unemployed youths are in Assam, sir. This is a very big concern for Nibunwa Samasya in Assam. We have to take this as a serious. I will request through you, sir. The industry minister will take this in his concern, and I will get nearby, not now, maybe after this, he will give us reply so that the house will satisfied why we are giving this all opportunities. We are not getting, sir. If you bring a statistic report, we are not getting outside 4th grade or lower than 4th grade. But here we are giving big post to the outsider. ऐसा क्यों, सर? यही मेरा सवाल है. ये मैं समझता हूँ कि concerned minister, I don't know who is the minister, and he will reply. I don't want reply today. Let him give us 10 days, 15 days later with some report, sir. Okay? Thank you.